Again,
well,
you
that's
know,
what the consumer wants,
of course it is. But look, I mean, if they paid for their water this year, and we take it out, the year we take it out, there'll be no charges. Okay. Now you got to enter into a program of investment over time that could be measured after many years. You know, key measurements in relation to water quality and supply and leakage, for example, and you bring about a system that is eventually fit for purpose, and then you can expect people to make a contribution. And that's
So
that's the background. Like,
yeah.
They would come in eventually, yeah.
Okay. Any idea when and how much?
Well, it definitely it would be possibly 7, 8, 10 years down the road before the type of investment that is required would yield the sort of results.
And how much would they pay?
They'd be paying
more.
I'd say less. I'd say less, because the maintenance costs, we would hope, would be a lot less then than they are now.
And would it be a fixed rate charge or something that's based on metering?
It would be based on metering and would have proper allowances rather than what we've had by the government heretofore. You see, 'cause